The MAXVAC MV1200 Sweeper is perfect for cleaning large spaces such as warehouses, factories, airports, shopping centres and more. This battery-powered sweeper offers ride-on technology for the ultimate solution to no stress, no strain cleaning. It can be used both indoors and outdoors when dry to tackle any and all cleaning tasks on your site, capturing everything from litter to fine dust. With a powerful work light to illuminate any dust or grime, you can easily steer this sweeper around thanks to its simple to use control panel and very tight turning radius to navigate even the tightest spaces. Boasting an average of 7 hours battery life, you'll have more than enough time to thoroughly clean even the largest buildings from a single charge. With an adjustable litter inlet flap, able to pick up waste of all sizes, the MV1200 features a huge 80 litres of litter storage to save you making multiple trips to empty it while in use. And with HEPA H13 filtration and manual filter cleaning, this innovative sweeper prevents settled dust from becoming airborne and harmful again, which is especially useful for dangerous dust such as silica or annoying waste such as rubber from forklift tyres. The MV1200 will give your staff the ability to easily achieve high standards of cleanliness across large areas with minimal effort.